Hello everyone, my name is AMAR. I'm 15 years old. I'm Vietnamese and I come from a city that is famous for coffee. If you have time, you should come there and enjoy yourself. Now, have you ever wondered in your life that what are you living for? What purpose are you doing? So, the answer is dreams, your own dreams. That is, for me, my hobby is healing animals that is in pain. So because of that hobby, I want to be a veterinarian. So when you own a pet, you could be nothing to this world, but you are everything for them. And so sadly, if you just lost the one which saw you, the world is gone away. That taught me strength to move on to be a veterinarian. Dreams are not limited. Everyone has the right to dream their own dreams. Even he or she has more than one dream, right? So am I. My second dream is to be a traveler. I want to study the bad thing and the good thing of this world, the cultures and the people of everyone in this country. That's all about my future. Thank you for listening. I love you guys and have a nice day.